Then it's only right I say I'm out. Yeah. Shark Tank is probably all this money or the cars only parking. I've been eating good.
People will think that you're somebody before you even open your mouth. I walk into a room, everybody goes, everybody looks at me. I demand attention, okay? It's a law of power. Act like a king to be treated like a king, all right? It's called wearing the crown principle, okay? You walk around and you walk as if you got a crown on your head. Like, yeah, bitch, it's me, right? And it's not being arrogant. It's showing people that you demand respect. You deserve respect, and it should be shown to you. And it's for everybody. I respect everybody. I don't put anybody down, right? But the more confident somebody is, and the more they show that he looks like somebody. I don't know who he is, but he looks like somebody. Don't you treat that person a little differently than somebody who just like is just in the crowd, they just keep their head down. They don't really take anything. They talk like that. You know what I'm saying? They're shy. They're in the corner compared to the guy who's in there. What's up? How you doing? Hey, what's up, man? How you doing, bro? Hey, man. Appreciate you, bro. Look at everybody right in the eyes. That's confidence. Act like a king to be treated like a king. Okay? Point blank. Period. That's how. If you and you can do it. Anybody can do it. And it's fake it till you make it with that, because there's no reason you shouldn't be walking around like that anyway. Every person on earth should be walking around like that, because we all deserve respect. But people don't, because they don't respect themselves. And that shows. That's why we don't look at those people like that. They don't show that they respect themselves. Me, the reason I walk around my head high, I used to walk around with my head low because of my childhood. Like I was giving, everybody in my life gave me up. Nobody ever cared about me. And it made me feel like I wasn't nobody. I wasn't worth it. And I built myself from dirt. I proved to myself that I'm worth it. And now when I walk around, people can see that I'm worth it. Because I know I walk around my head high because I made me. And you're making you. Okay? There's no reason why you can't walk around with your head up. I want you to know that. We're all kings. We're all kings and queens. Everybody, we're all champions. The only things that hold us back are the social dynamics and other people hoisting their fears and their doubts and their non-beliefs and things that would make them fail. They put those things onto us, right? Like when your mom and your dad tells you, you ain't gonna be no rapper, you're not gonna do music. How the fuck you know? You don't know what I'm capable of. I can do anything I set my mind to. You can't tell me nothing. Everybody told me I wouldn't do anything. Everybody. But they're gonna tell you the same thing. They always do that. Because people don't want to see, they don't believe somebody else is gonna do it. But you also gotta think about it. How many people say that they're gonna do something, but they don't? That's the thing, is most people just talk. You gotta show them. Demand respect. Walk into a room, be like, how you doing, man? Be nice everywhere. That's me. You fucking me? Who you fucking with? You know what I'm saying? You're the man, or you're the woman. You're the champion. And people like that, they demand respect. That's why you see a girl that's like, ooh, she's bad. How does a bad bitch act? Be real. Not that, you know what I'm saying? Not being derogatory at all, because that's like a term that they use for themselves. How's a bad bitch act? Don't talk to me, right? You know what I'm saying? And you're like, damn, I kind of really want her, even though she's real snooty, but she's hot. Even a girl that's not even that super attractive acts like that. Somehow she's hotter because she's acting like she's worth more. You can do the same thing, okay? Understand that. Now, we want that to show in the content, and you gotta have that confidence. That's week 7. But there you go, that's week 7, microphone confidence, and you need to learn how to make your own content, shoot your own pictures, get your own little videos, get the content up for yourself that's actually on brand. This is very important, and this is what you need to do, okay? And again, this all comes in the rapper shortcut. I show you all this. I show you how to find your zone, have this confidence, all right? I've been through it. I've been in every step of this path you're gonna take.
Then it's only right I say I'm out. Yeah. Shark Tank is probably all this money or the cars only parking. I've been eating good, stacking chips like a card game. Walk around knowing none of shit like a fraud stain. All my shit is new age. I'm new